Hi, this is Mark from LongIslandWatch.com. Unboxing day for me. Not you, me. I bought myself a new watch, and I said I would start to review other things that I purchased. It's a Xeric? I don't know. When I was in Windup, this is a true unboxing, I really haven't looked at it. When I was at Windup in San Francisco, there was a gentleman that came to the booth, the Islander booth, and he was wearing this watch. And I was like, that is so cool. It reminds me of an Urwerk watch that I had seen decades ago. An Urwerk, German brand, kind of like haute horology, really cool stuff. Almost like a tumbler dial with little blocks that rotated as the arm swung. But you know, it was like a $40,000, $50,000 watch. And here this watch was a little over $1,000. And I was like, I need to have that watch or some variant thereof. So in true Mark fashion, I bought myself one. I think I actually just did both zippers. Kind of crazy. Duh. Here we go. And hey, there it is. Look at that, it's blue. Who knew? So it's a Xeric watch. What is that? All right, flashlight, cool. And here is the watch. I'll obviously do a full review of it after I had a chance to play with it a little bit. But here it is. Let's see it. Ready? Oops. Fully wrapped in plastic. So why don't we take the plastic off? So the watch itself is called the Scrambler, and you can see this whole arm rotates and the hours point to the minutes up above. I love watches that tell time, or things that tell time in different ways. It is indeed an automatic. Looking at the movement, looks to me to be, looks like a 9015, doesn't it? It looks like a regular Miyota, or maybe a 9039, no date. It looks like the finishing and from the center attachment for the rotor. Anyway, but that's not why we're here. We're here just to look at it. So we wind it. Let's see what happens. I don't see a seconds hand, so maybe there is none. So you wind it, and then, so I'm guessing right now it would be like 3:05. So I'm gonna pull the crown out. Yeah, I didn't feel a date position, so it's probably like a 9039. It is. I'm actually only wearing one watch today. Now, I should say. I took the other one off, wearing my Yachtmaster, because I knew I'd be putting this one on. So let's go. Ready? 3, and see the 4 right here? Oh, and you see what happened down here? See how that one's spinning to get ready for the 5? And then watch this. So watch this one down here. Ready? Oh, that's so cool. So it is, as I said, 3:48. So I probably already blasted through the time. So let's go. Keep going. Keep watching everything turning. 1, 2, and here comes 3, and 48. Good enough, right? Close. It's probably only 350. Let's back it up a bit. Like that. Good enough for government work. There we go, and that's it. So it comes in a great brown strap. I'm going to wear it, and I will follow up with a full review in a few days, I don't know, probably a few weeks actually. I got a lot going on. But it is nice watch, a little north of $1,000. Came pretty quickly, and I love it. I believe, I might not be sure, I don't want to misspeak, but I don't think I'm misspeaking. Xeric is the house brand of watches.com. I'm fairly sure. And they used to be Watchismo, I believe. They make the NASA watch, make a whole bunch of watches. Really cool, love it. Well, so far, from looking at it, right? I make a purple one, all different colors. Full review coming up later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.